first anti-aging, anti-cellulite self-tanner. Oh my god, I like the smell. It smells like I'm in Bali. You're only getting the good stuff. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome to my channel. My name is Crystal. To the newcomers, welcome. Welcome to Alzheimer's, welcome back. You can help me grow my channel by clicking the subscribe button and the notification bell. Hi guys, how have you been? I hope you're all doing well. I hope you're having a good day, a good weekend. I look like I'm going to the beach, okay? Because today we're gonna be doing a tanning at home because I've been gifted by Coco Eve this Sunny Honey Self Tanner. I'm so excited, so let's open up this box. So this is the gift that I got from Coco Eve. So this is the Sunny Honey Self Tanner. Yeah, I think I got the whole kit. Yes, exciting, right? So here it is. Look at that, pink, of course. So this is the tanning foam, Coco Eve Sunny Honey. Yep. And then they also gifted me a kabuki brush. Tan Meat Skincare. Sounds so good. And of course, we're gonna be needing this tan meat. Okay, are you ready? Because we're gonna put this tan on. You know what? This is really an amazing moment because I'm so excited. Because I know Coco and Eve from social media. They're all over my Facebook, all over my Instagram, and everywhere. I'm not joking. For me, this is a very big brand. And for them to give me a gift, and I'm so thankful. Seriously, yeah. I feel like I've done something good. So this Sunny Honey. So this is the first anti-aging, anti-cellulite self-tanner. Yeah, it sounds so good, right? And they also said that there's no nasties in this one and there's no orange tones. Yeah, I think it's so 1980s when you go tanning and you know, you get some orange tones, right? Yeah, that's why I'm wearing orange. So I'm gonna open up the meat because we need this, okay? Okay, I love it. Look at that. Coco and Eve. Wow, it's very soft and velvety. That's what it says. Velvet soft meat. Okay. So let's open up the kabuki brush. Oh, it's also soft. Very nice. I like the kabuki brush. So we're gonna use this later. This is mostly for the face, for the hands and the feet, and you know, ears. Exciting. Okay. I need to wear bikini because I'm gonna put a tanner, okay? So step number 1, the direction is you have to exfoliate before you use, which I did because I actually dry brushed my skin. So the dead skin cells are gone. Yeah. So also you have to apply it to dry skin, no lotion or something. So we need to use the self-tanning mitt. Okay. They said self-tanning mitt in circular motion. Okay. So we have to develop the tan in 2 hours. Okay, 2 hours. Okay, I'm so excited to smell this because I never smelled this before. Do I need to shake it? It didn't say though. Oh wow. I'm gonna put it on my leg first. Wow. Oh my god, I like the smell. It smells like I'm in Bali. Love it. Circular motion. Oh my god, it smells like you're in a tropical island, beach, paradise. Circular motion. So the smell is tropical, mango, and guava. Wow, it's already actually more bronzier than the other side. I haven't put any tanner on this side, so we're gonna put now. Amazing! I love it! Actually, it's not just the meat that is velvety. I think also the foam is velvety. Look at that. Oh my god, I'm gonna be glowing tan without going under the sun. So much better. And all the cellulites there, will be concealed. It's good. It's like concealer for your body, right? So it's anti-aging, anti-cellulite. It's good for me because, you know, titas of Manila, aging already. Yeah, amazing. I love it. So this is the kabuki brush. So this is good when you want to put the foam onto your hands, your feet, and your face. Because some of the parts there, you know, can't be reached by the meat. So we have to use our kabuki brush. So did you know that this Sunny Honey self-tanner is 100% cruelty-free, vegan, paraben-free, silicone-free, free of anything nasty, okay? You're only getting the good stuff. Okay, I just finished the application for this Coco Eve Sunny Honey self-tanner. Yes, in dark. So I'm just waiting for it to develop. So we have to wait for 2 hours. Yeah. Oh my god, I actually feel like my color is actually more darker now, no? It looks nice. Oh my god. Okay, I just want to read the goodness of this self-tanner, okay? So as we mentioned earlier, it's cruelty-free, 100% vegan. Even the kabuki brush is vegan, okay? So no streaks, no bad smells, no stress. Yeah, I didn't get stressed. So yes, check. Okay, so it actually has a unique cell-shaped TM formula infused with raw virgin coconuts, botanicals, and amino acid to hydrate and firm skin. Check! That sounds amazing because for my age, you know, Tita Tumnila has have a firm skin. So this self-tanner is amazing. I think so. And yeah, so it's enriched with Bali-inspired ingredients, love it, such as mandarin oil and natural antioxidants, including fig, banana, papaya, and cocoa to help improve signs of aging. Most important thing, as signs of aging and anti-cellulite. I'm sold with that, you know, anti-aging, anti-cellulite for a self-tanner, and you're gonna be glowy and bronzy and natural tan without going under the sun. Amazing product. Hi, I'm back. So after 2 hours and something, yeah. So we did the application of the self-tanner, the Coco Eve Sunny Honey. Yeah, my skin actually feels good when I took it off. It's soft and wow, I'm more glowy and bronze, guys. Look at that. I actually feel sexy. Yeah. I don't know. There's something about being glowy and tan that makes me feel sexy. Yeah. I feel like, yeah, I'm on a beach holiday. Love it. Look at that. Hey, there's a real difference for me. Especially I can see from my face. Now I'm more tan. Even my husband, he walked here. He walked in and he told me, why are you so tan? What are you doing? I was like, I'm doing something. Tanning. Duh. Actually, it's quite soft on the skin. So they said after it, you should moisturize. Yeah. And to prolong the tan, you need to moisturize. Okay. Golden and glowy? I think so. Yeah, love it. Okay, the verdict for this product, not because it's a gift, I think it's a good product. So this Coco Eve Sunny Honey is a good product for me because I think it's cruelty free, no nasties, nothing horrible in this product. Everything is just good for you. Anti-aging, good for my age. Anti-cellulite, yeah, makes your skin firm, and you're just, you know, sitting there 2 hours. You can do your social media and everything while waiting. Yeah. If you want your tan to be more deeper tan, I think you can do it like overnight. Yeah. Why not? But I'm happy with it. Love it. Yeah, love it. Coco Eve Sunny Honey. I recommend 100%. Yeah, love it. This is it, Pansit. Yeah, have a glowy evening, have a glowy day, have a glowy afternoon, have a glowy weekend. Yeah? Stay safe and stay healthy. I'm your friendly Tita Zo Manila that lives in Singapore saying ciao, arrivederci. See you again next week. Bye.